Hey, this is Ejem from Ejem's Workshop. Today, I wanted to share a few quotes I found recently. Sean Cannell from Think Media shared a post stating, "Bless those who curse you. The fear of other people's opinions is real. What other people think about you is none of your business. The day you stop caring about what other people think is the day your life begins." Every real leader, every real creator, every great spirit will face criticism. Bless those who curse you and let it go. But what if I'm the critic and it's in my head? I ask myself. Remember, doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Stay focused on your mission. Serve your community. Keep building. Keep loving. Shut out the noise. Sean Cannell goes on to quote Theodore Roosevelt. "It is not the critic who counts, not the man who points out how the strong man stumbles or where the doer of deeds could have done them better. The credit belongs to the man who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly, who errs, who comes short again and again. Because there is no effort without error and shortcoming, but who does actually strive to do the deeds, who knows great enthusiasms, the great devotions, who spends himself in a worthy cause, who at the best knows in the end triumph of high achievement, and who at the worst, if he fails, at least he fails while daring greatly, so that his place shall never be with those cold and timid souls who neither knew victory nor defeat." At this point, I've made a lot of half-completed videos, ones I thought would be a fun concept, and then during editing I would think, I could have done better. I would drop the video or think I'll just finish it later and never come back. My New Year's resolution is to make a video per month and not drop a single one. Ever since I was little, I believed I was somehow destined to be amazing. Although I've always felt like an average person at pretty much everything, it feels like I have a typical person's perspective. I'm a maker. I've always loved to learn about how things work by taking them apart, and I really enjoy the satisfaction of building things as well. Will Smith said there has to be a little bit crazy, because you have to believe in something that there's no evidence for. Then you have to devote your life to something that's not only invisible, but highly unlikely and potentially impossible. But you believe it wholeheartedly, because you can't achieve it if you don't believe it wholeheartedly. So yeah, there's a sliding scale between naivety and full insanity, and somewhere in the middle is a sweet spot for dream manifestation. So maybe it's not unreasonable to think that I could do something amazing someday. It'll just take a lot of time and dedication to that belief. Is there anything you are struggling with? Let's start a conversation about it in the comments and I'll try to help out. If this video helps you, consider liking it, maybe even subscribe. I plan to create more content soon. Have a wonderful day.